Did you know that some orchids can survive for years without any fertilizer? This raises the question, do they really need it to thrive? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating relationship between orchids and fertilizer and reveal the truth about orchid survival, growth, and blooming. So you will finally know whether you should fertilize or not. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I share easy and practical tips on gardening and orchid care to help your plants thrive. So if you love orchids as much as I do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss the next video. Many orchid owners worry about the right care, especially when it comes to fertilization. So the question is, can orchids survive without fertilizer? Yes, technically they can survive without fertilizer. Orchids in nature grow on trees or rocks, surviving mostly on rainwater, organic debris, and sunlight. But those orchids all enrich ecosystem with natural nutrients falling around them. Unlike at home, orchids in pots, they don't get the same resources. So how fertilizer helps and when it is critical? Fertilizer provides essential nutrients orchids don't always get indoors or in bark-based media. Fertilizer doesn't just keep them alive, it helps them grow stronger roots, healthier leaves, and produce bigger, more frequent blooms. Without fertilizer, orchids might survive for years, but they look weak, bloomless, and may struggle to recover from stress and also susceptible to any diseases. The golden rule is weekly, weekly. Orchids don't like heavy feeding. Instead of dumping fertilizer, use a diluted solution, about one-fourth strength, once a week during active growth and during resting period, cut back to once or twice a month. If you really don't want to fertilize often, you can use rainwater or collected water rich in natural minerals. Occasionally, give them organic options like rice water or seaweed extract. These are not as strong as a store-bought orchid fertilizer, but they will give nutrient boost. The bottom line is orchid can survive without fertilizer, but if you want to thrive, grow beautifully, and bloom reliably, fertilizer make a huge difference. Think of it like this. Without fertilizer, it's just surviving. With fertilizer, it's truly living. So now you know the truth. Fertilizer isn't just about survival, it's about giving your orchids the best chance to flourish. Do you fertilize your orchids regularly or do you let them go natural? Comment below. I'd love to hear from your experience. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more orchid tips, and share this with a fellow plant lover. This is Jules here reminding you happy roots, happy blooms. Care for your orchids and they'll care for your soul. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. God bless.